yo. First order of the day, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $7, going about 4.5 miles.
Yeah.
Thank you. Got this next order right away. This is a McDonald's. I think it's at $10, going about 5 miles.
Hello, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Are you going to be using the mobile app today?
Here's the first one. Got the second one. There we go.
Thank you.
No worries.
Next up, going right back to that same McDonald's. This one is $7 and change, going about 5 miles.
Hello, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Are you going to be using the mobile app today?
It's gonna be that one right there for you.
Thank you. Next order up is a Starbucks. This one is $11, going just under 6 miles. Thank you. Next up, got a different Starbucks. This one is $8, going 4 miles. It's been like 20 minutes since that last order was dropped off. Finally got the next order. This one is on earn by time now. Current rate is $17 an hour. This is an IHOP going about 3.5 miles.
Hi, you're picking up?
Yeah.
Okay, it's not quite ready yet.
Gotcha. Total for that order was $6 and change. Next order up is a gravity coffee going about 2 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yep. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Total for that order was just under $8. Just got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is $12, going 5 miles. I think it's at 5 items. Next order up is a Chick-fil-A going 4.5 miles. Perfect.
Thanks a
There
lot.
you are. Have a good day. Got an order going across the river. This is 6 miles for, what is this place again? 13 Coins Restaurant. It's a fancy one, so surely that means they're going to be tipping a lot, right?
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a good one.
Total for that one was $8. Not terrible. I mean, I still got to drive back into my zone, but I'm not very far away. I'm like 3 streets away from the bridge to go back, so could have been worse. Next order up is a Donut Nook, $10, going 6.5 miles. This one's bringing me back into my zone, so that's mostly what matters. Should be a good order though.
Yeah.
All at once or 2 trips?
I could do a couple of trips. Whatever you have ready right now, I can take.
You can take these 3 out while I tape up the other ones.
Sure.
Here.
You did. You got a little bit more than that.
Perfect timing. Here you go.
Thank you. Got 2 more. Next order up is Don Pedro. This one is $8, going just under 4 miles. Thank you. You too. Got this order as I was dropping off. This is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $8, going 2 miles, 4 items. Well, they only had one of the fly catcher thing, whatever that thing was. Not getting full pay out of this one, unfortunately. Next up is a Chick-fil-A. This one is $8 and change, going 5 miles.
Coke Zero?
Got this right away. This is a Black Rock coffee, $7, going 2.5 miles. This one might be super busy, so this might be a mistake. Yeah, I would say this is pretty busy. I'm number 6, and someone just pulled in behind me, so there's 7 cars in the drive-thru right now. Still in line, and they're giving me an add-on on a different app. $6, going 3 miles. It's going in the same direction. This is the only reason I took this.
These 2 are for Kaylee. We just couldn't fit that one in the bag.
Okay.
There you are.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a great rest of the day.
You too. Morning. There you are.
Thank you.
Got it?
You have a good one.
Kyle, shut up!
Maybe I'm tripping, but it smelled like Starburst in there. Like a mix between the red one and the pink one. Anyways, I think that's gonna be it for me. Current time is 9:59. Current total is 159. What the heck? Someone tipped really well. I don't know who. Oh, it was the McDonald's at the start. I think it was the first order of the day. I don't remember. It was one of the first ones. But that was a $29 order. Holy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Anyways, we're still waiting on 1 tip actually, so that should still go up. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Yeah, just cut right in front of me. That's awesome. Bye.